This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your RAM or your memory on your Google Pixel phone. So to do this, just swipe down from the top right and we want to go to settings. Then go on down to where it says about phone and we can see it right here. Now when you click about phone, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and we're going to have this option for build number. Just tap this 5 times. You're going to unlock developer options now. So when you have developer options now unlocked, scroll on down and we want to go to system now. Going down to the bottom and developer options is listed now. And then at the top we can see memory. We can just tap this and we can see our available memory right there, and we can see the usage over 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 or 1 day. And you're going to have to restart your phone when you enable this, but you can see how much memory you have on your device. Total memory 7.8, and then average memory use 6. And the apps are using it. Looks like just Android OS. So very easy to check. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.